Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com, join for free, and advertise for free today. Okay, here's my second pack, Topps Baseball 2021 Series 2 standard pack from the Topps NFT platform. They are all sold out, so I'm buying these second-hand market out of the marketplace. And they're going for about $30 right now, so they're not very cheap. So let's see if we can get the money back. Okay, there's 8 cards in a pack, so you're talking about $350. You want to get value-wise just to break even. This is a rare. That's nice. 101 of 124. That helps. That's probably about a $10 card. That's even nicer. That is Tucker Davidson. And it is freezing up on me here. Let's give it a second so I can, there we go. Okay, it's number 73 of 83. That's very nice, super rare. This one's an uncommon, low mint. And that's a gold base. Jose Barros. Then I got a rare, number 42 of 121. David Fletcher. Got an uncommon, Carson Counts gold base. See how many I got left. And it's frozen up again. Ryan Presley. And that I got 2 cards left. That's a rare. That's the Devil Rays, Future Stars. I don't think that's a rookie card, though. Number 6112. And last one, another rare. That's a rookie card. That's nice. Okay, so I got at least, let me see. I got 2 rookie cards. Tucker Davidson's a rookie card. And so is Jonathan. Wow, this is a nice pack. Okay. Well, there you go. I'm going to post them and try to get my money back. Thank you for watching, and see you for tomorrow's opening. Have a nice night.